U.S. stocks, they're rising this Monday morning as Wall Street attempts to rebound from a losing week. Investors continue to remain optimistic as the COVID-19 vaccine rollout continues. Following the FDA's emergency authorization of Pfizer's vaccine, the CDC and Prevention Director Robert Redfield, he signed off to allow inoculations to officially move forward for people aged 16 years or older. Meanwhile, in the Forex market this Monday morning, the euro-dollar's worry begin. That sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus. The pair's on the upside above the support at 121.30 and supported by its rising 20-period moving average. Long positions above 121.30 are favored with targets at 121.65 and 121.80 in extension. Moving on, the British pound-US dollar pair happens to see the bias remain bullish, while the dollar-yen, that sees the downside prevail. Now, moving on to the Bitcoin dollar intraday, that pair happens to see the downside prevail as long as 19,454 is the resistance. The pivot point for the Bitcoin dollar standing at 19,454. And taking a look now at precious metals, gold is under pressure and in focus as long as 1837 is the resistance. Look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. Short positions below 1837 are favored with targets at 1823 and 1815 in extension. This while silver happens to be capped by a negative trend line.